Hello, let's solve today this interesting math Olympiad problem. We have x squared plus y squared equals 7 and x cubed plus y cubed equals 10. And we need to find x plus y. First, let's look at this formula. X cubed plus y cubed equal x plus y multiplied by x squared plus y squared minus xy. In this equation, we know that x cubed plus y cubed equals 10 and x squared plus y squared equals 7. Then instead of this equation, we can write 10 equal x plus y multiplied by 7 minus xy. Now let's look for another formula. X plus y squared equal x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. We know that x squared plus y squared equals 7. Then we can write x plus y squared equals 7 plus 2xy. Now if we subtract the 7 from both sides of the equation, we can get 2xy equal x plus y squared minus 7. Then let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then we'll get xy equal 1/2 multiplied by x plus y squared minus 7 divided by 2. Now let's put this equation to this equation instead of xy. Then we'll get 10 equal x plus y multiplied by square brackets. Instead of square brackets, we have 7 minus 1/2 multiplied by x plus y squared plus 7/2. As you can notice, here we have minus and here we have plus, but in this equation, here we have plus and here minus. It changed because here we have a minus. That's why it become minus here and plus here. So now let's sum these two values. So 7 we can write as a 14 divided by 2. Then it is easy to sum these two values. It will be 21 divided by 2. You can notice that we have 2 here and 2 here in these both terms. So that means we can take it out from the brackets. Then we'll get 1/2 multiplied by square bracket. Inside of square bracket, then now we will have 21 minus x plus y squared. Now let's multiply the both sides of this equation by 2. Then we will get here instead of 10, we'll get 20. And on the right side, when we multiply by 2, it will be reduced with 1/2. Now let's multiply this bracket with this bracket. Then we'll get 21 multiplied by x plus y minus x plus y to the power of 3. So let's call x plus y as a z. Then we'll get 20 equal 21z minus z to the power of 3. Let's write this equation as z cubed minus 21z plus 20 equals 0. The next we can write z cubed minus z minus 20z plus 20 equals 0. Minus z and minus 20z will be minus 21z, so it is the same as here. Now we can write this equation as z multiplied by z squared minus 1 minus 20 multiplied by z minus 1 equals 0. This equation is the same as this equation. If you open the brackets, we will get this equation. Now let's look at this formula. A squared minus b squared equal a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we are going to use this formula for this term. In our case, a is z and b is 1. We can write 1 equal 1 squared because it will be anyway 1. Then we will get z multiplied by z plus 1 multiplied by z minus 1. And the rest is the same. Then from here you can notice that we have a common bracket, z minus 1 here and z minus 1 here. Then we can write that z minus 1 multiplied by square brackets. Inside of square brackets we have z multiplied by z plus 1 minus 20 and everything equal to 0. This equation is also the same as this equation. If you multiply these two brackets, we will get this equation. So here you can see that we have multiplication of two brackets, this one and this one. And this multiplication equals 0. That means that either this bracket equals 0 or this bracket equals 0 or both of these brackets equal 0. So let's start from the first bracket. Z minus 1 equals 0. Then Z will be 1. But if Z equal 1, it means that X plus Y equal 1. So this is our first answer. Now let's look at the second bracket. Z multiplied by Z plus 1 minus 20 equals 0. Let's multiply Z with this bracket. Then we'll get Z squared plus Z minus 20. To solve this equation, we are going to use quadratic formula. This one. In our case, M equal 1, N equal 1, and C equal minus 20. So if you put these values to this formula, we are going to get minus 1 plus minus square root. Inside of square root, we have 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by minus 20, and everything divided by 2. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 20 will be 80, and 1 squared will be anyway 1. So 1 plus 80 will be 81. Square root of 81 will be 9. If it's minus, we will get Z equal minus 5, because minus 1 minus 9 will be minus 10, and divided by 2 it will be minus 5. Then X plus Y will be minus 5. So this is our second answer. Now let's look if we have a plus here. Then we'll get minus 1 plus 9, it will be 8. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So Z equal 4. Then X plus Y will be also 4. And this is our third answer. So we have found the three answers for this problem. Leave in a comment if you were able to solve this problem. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more math videos.